In this video, I'll show you how to summarize long documents with Claude AI step by step. This is a quick way to understand a lengthy reports, research papers, or documents without reading every page. To begin, I'll make sure I'm already logged into my Claude account and on the main chat screen. Next, I'll move my cursor to the message box at the bottom of the screen where I normally type my prompts. On the left side of the message field, I'll click the plus icon to open the upload options. From the menu that appears, I'll select Upload File. After clicking that, a file browser window will open on my computer. Here, I'll locate the document I want to summarize, such as a PDF, Word file, or other supported document. I'll select the file and click Open to upload it. Once the document uploads and appears in the message area, I'll click inside the chat box and type a prompt asking Claude to summarize the document. For example, I can type, "Please summarize this document and highlight the most important points." After entering the prompt, I'll click the Send button to submit the request. Claude will then read through the document and generate a clear summary of the key ideas and important sections, helping me quickly understand the main content. If I want more specific information, I can also ask Claude to summarize certain pages, create bullet points, or explain particular sections in more detail. And that's it. I've successfully summarized a long document using Claude AI. If you found this tutorial helpful, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick AI tutorials and guides.